video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM backup in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over in here onto your HubSpot homepage. Once you're in there, you can find this gear icon in the upper right corner. This is your settings, so proceed to click on this in order to see your HubSpot settings directly. Once you're in there, next thing you need to do is to find the data management tab. So just proceed to scroll down, and here we have data management. Under this, you can find the option for backup and restore, so proceed to click on this. Now, this will load in order to show you the settings for this. For this case, proceed to click on this Create Backup. Now, click on Create. Do take note that it may take some time for the backup to complete. And as you can see, it's processing right now. Once it's done with its process, you can proceed to download it or restore this particular backup yourself. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.